The key variable on every piece of work that we do, every project-based work, is the human being.
The more connected we are, the more complex things become.
Today's business landscape has changed remarkably in the last 10 years.
How do I make sense out of the complexity, and how do I unfreeze, if you will, my team or my organization so we can actually get work done? Because there often aren't easy answers to the challenges we're facing today.
A lot of the world is complicated, but more and more is becoming complex. So that's one thing we really focus on in the making sense of complexity is.
That name is very, very consciously selected because making sense is a skill that we can develop.
The Adaptive Strategic Execution Program has been designed to help leaders of project-based work develop the skill sets, the mindsets, and the tool sets in order to effectively deal with all of this volatility and complexity.
It's absolutely essential for leaders of project-based work to understand what context they're in.
And so we will practice trying to discern how a particular context manifests itself in our project programs and other types of work.
About 41% of the projects that are operating now are being classified as highly complex, and yet less than half of the CEOs of the organizations that we've researched and interviewed feel that their organizations are capable of dealing with that complexity.
Maybe we can capitalize on complexity. Maybe we can take advantage of the uncertainty that swirls around complexity. That's what we're here to talk about. Because if we can, then we and our organizations are going to really benefit from our ability to make sense of that complexity and deal with it effectively and perform at a higher level.